see, I have been telling everybody and their brother that you cannot make Outlook groups, and you most certainly can. So here's how you do it. If you want to make a group in Outlook, from this main menu, you want to click into this People tab. When you click into this People tab, you're going to get a whole new menu that allows you to create a new contact group. And then you get this window right here, and you would give it a name. So I'm just going to say co-workers, let's just say. And then I'm going to add members and from the address book, and then I would go pick all those folks that I want in my contact group, and I would add those members and say, okay, so I have a contact group named coworkers. So let's go test it. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to say yes. Now I'm going to go back into the mail option, and I'm going to click new mail, and then I'm going to say coworkers, and there is my group. So I hope that helps, and you can now go into Outlook and create some groups to make your emailing way easier.